Hello friends, welcome back in one more video. Today we are going to discuss parts of speech. As you know, it's a very crucial for grammar point of view, and that is why we should understand why, because different types of error can be identified if we know parts of speech. So the first question is, what is parts of speech? Actually, it's a head of grammar, all right? And because it is head of grammar, it means it has family too. And as per function, it has been named. So the family members have been named as per their functions. And what are those? So those are, look at noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. All right. So let us understand in detail one by one. First is noun. What is noun? Name of anything is a noun. An example, tea. What is tea? Tea is a name of liquid, right? Book. What is it? Book is name of text. India is a name of country, right? What is metro? Metro is a name of transportation. GMAT. What is? It's a name of examination. All right. So whatever is named, that's become noun. So very simple, name means noun. All right. Next is adjective. Adjective means adds extra information to noun. So any word that adds extra information to noun becomes adjective. Look here, black tea. If you remove black, it is simply tea. But after adding black, it becomes black tea. It means black is explanation for tea, and that is why it is adjective. Costly book. Book, costly book. So here costly is adjective for book. Cultural India. India and then extra information cultural. Fast metro. Tough. So these are adjectives. So in short, adjective means extra information for any noun. Now the next is pronoun. So the what is pronoun? Pronoun used in place of noun. So whatever replaces noun becomes pronoun. Look at an example. Tea is hot. It is hot. In case of tea is hot, if we say it is hot, it means what here? Tea is replaced by it, and here it is pronoun. Book is new. It is new. Books are new. They are new. So it and they replaces book and books. India is a great country. It is a great country. Metro is a transport. It is a transport. Alright, so what is here? Every noun is replaced by a word, it, and here it is pronoun. GMAT is an exam. It is an exam. Next is verb. Verb means what? Action or activity that is done by noun. Alright, so tea boils. So boiling is activity of tea, action of tea, and that is why boils is verb. Treats. Book treats. Here treating is an activity of book, and that is why it is verb. India celebrates. So here again celebration is an action. Metro runs. Running is an action. Taste. GMAT taste. Here tasting is an action. Remember, difference between adjective and verb is what? Adjective means extra information, but verb means activity or an action. Look at adverb. Adverb is what? Extra information for either adjective or verb. So extra information for noun is called adjective. Extra information for adjective and verb is called adverb. Look at an example. Slowly. So tea boils slowly. Here tea slowly is not, but the boiling is slowly. It means here slowly is extra information for boils. Look here. Book treats equally. Book equally, no, actually treating is equally. So here equally is an adverb. India celebrates gladly. Here India gladly, no, celebration gladly, and that is why an adverb. Metro runs fast. Here running fast, so an adverb. Smartly. GMAT tastes smartly. So here smartly is an adverb for taste. So ultimately you must have understood adjective means for noun, and adverb means for adjective or verb. All right. Preposition. What is preposition? That shows relation of noun with noun. So if any word that shows relation noun to noun in term of time, place and situation. So if there is a relation between noun to noun for time, place or situation, that is called preposition. Look at sentence. Tea is in cup. So what is the location of tea? That is called cup, right? That's called place, and here in is that relation. That is why it is preposition. Look here, book is on the table. So what is on the table? Book. So book and table both are noun, and here on is relation, creating relation. Look here, India is with unity. India and unity both are noun, and here with is connecting to, clearing relation. Metro is from Dwarka. Look here, from Dwarka. So here from is preposition. Now GMAT is for B schools. All right, here for is preposition. So remember, a word that shows relation, and that becomes preposition. All right. Next is conjunction. Connects two or more than two words, phrases or clauses. So if there is connectivity, that becomes conjunction. All right. Look at example. Tea or coffee. So here tea, one word, coffee, another word, and now it is connecting with or. That's become conjunction. Old book, but new science. Look here. But is what? Conjunction for both. Old, two words, new science, two words, that's become phrase, and that is why here but is conjunction, because it is connecting. Festival means and India celebrates gladly. So here festival means India, one clause, India celebrates gladly, another, and it is connected with and, that is why here it is conjunction. All right. So what is interjection? Interjection means what? Sudden feeling. Any sudden feeling becomes interjection. Example, wow, what a tea. So here wow is what? It's a sudden feeling. Yeah, this is the book. Sudden feeling, yeah is sudden feeling. Hooray, India won the game. Hooray is what? Sudden feeling. All right. Damn, metro has left. Again, damn is what? Sudden feeling. So any sudden feeling becomes interjection. All right. Now look at an example. Excellent. An inspirational speaker speaks every day in seminar because he is a lecturer. Now look here. Excellent is what? Sudden feeling. That is why interjection. Inspirational is extend formation of speaker, and that is why adjective. And you know, speaker is what? A person, and that is why noun. And speaks, that is speaking is the activity of a speaker, and that is why verb. Here every day is what? Speaking every day. So every day is explanation for speak, and that is why it is what? Adverb. Look here, in is what? Relation between speaker and seminar, that is why preposition. Seminar is what? Noun. Why? Because two nouns. Look here, what is because? Because is conjunction. Why? Because it is connecting two clauses. Now he is what? He is replacement of speaker, and that is why it is pronoun. And is verb. Why? Because is activity for he, and that is why it is a verb. And lecturer. So lecturer is what? A noun, right? This is all about 4 parts of speech. If you like, please do write something in comments, and thank you for your patience. Yeah, one more thing, please like, subscribe and share.